welcome back for another video. Today I'm very excited and I have an unboxing from Caleb Plan. This is a surprise from my planner bestie and I am very excited. But before I get started, if you're new around here, my name is Leslie. I do planner related videos and I hope you enjoy watching and will consider subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being here. Let's get going. If you hear Elijah, he's in the next room. There's nothing I can do about that. Mom life. All right. So I got this surprise package last week. Yo, to begin with, this packaging is gorgeous. I am a pink girl, whatever you want to call it. I love pink, love my pinks, but I've been loving yellow because it makes me happy. Everything yellow makes me happy. All right, so in this package you get a few of these stickers that tell you when Caleb Plan is gonna do a release. So I really like that. And it came with some stickers. Y'all, there's a lot of stuff in here. Some paper and a classic planner, which y'all, I am so happy. So let me start off. All right, let's start off with the paper. I'm not telling you all what I'm using this planner for yet because that's gonna be for another video. Right now I just want to enjoy this unboxing. But the paper is so pretty. The paper is gorgeous. So you got this beautiful floral and you have like this little dots. I hope you can see it in the camera. And I have a ton of them. I am so happy for this. And I'm so excited to show you all what I'm going to use it for. I think the designs are different depending on the pages. Yes, the design here is only in the bottle. Let's see. Yeah, it's different here. And then you get this one. All right, so I really love it. And here we have these stickers. The stickers are amazing and I'm in love with them. So let me flip through them really quickly here. Y'all, to tell you that I love these stickers and the boxes is an understatement. If you have been following me for some time, you know that my favorite sticker books ever is the colorful boxes from the Happy Planner. I do decorative planning, so I gotta have my boxes, and I love that this sticker books brings boxes and lots of them. All right, so here's the first page. Sorry, the placement is a little bit awkward. I really tried to get my setup together here today, and it was kind of like out of the blue. So here's the other page. You get some boxes with florals. These are gorgeous, and I think these fit the monthly of the same planner. So here's the next page. Here you get some florals. Let me show you like that so you can see better. Here's the next page. You see what I'm telling you? Here are some boxes, some little dots, which I love. And here are the stickers that match those boxes. How gorgeous. So here's the next floral. You guys, these are so pretty. I love these stickers. So here are the next colors. And then you get the boxes. These fit the month. Let me kind of show you so you have an idea. But you see it has that little square trimmed. All right. So here are more stickers. I have it like that because I don't know why it's not fitting in the frame. I hope you're not bothered by this. All right, here's the next page. Love the purple and orange together. I didn't think that was such a nice combination. Oh my gosh, I love this. Love these pastels. Are you kidding me? I love pastels. Love the yellow boxes, by the way. And I didn't mention, but all the florals are in clear paper. Here's the last one. These are gorgeous. These are all in clear, and in here you have some little sayings like bills, errands, and all of that great stuff. I love that. And you get 2 pages. Here you have some more, and that's her handwriting. Her handwriting is gorgeous. Heather's. And that's the last page. You guys, I hadn't flipped through this sticker book by myself. I was waiting to do it with you guys. And so let me flip through the planner. The planner is very pretty. Here's the front page. You get stripes and florals for the cover, front and back. And I'm gonna show you the first month, and then I'm just gonna flip through the covers real quickly here. But this is her handwriting, which is gorgeous. Here's the yearly for 2024. Here are the months, so you can write whatever you want. And here you get that, so you can track. Sorry, Elijah, it's like watching cartoons in the next room. Here is this page, which I really like. These boxes, you can do whatever. And I love this page that it's double-sided, by the way. And then you get this page here empty. You can journal, not journal, but you can add pictures. I mean, you could do whatever you want. And here's a monthly spread. Nice and clean, like you don't have anything, so you can decorate. You can add stickers, you can add whatever. At the beginning, I wasn't really a fan of the sidebar to the right side, and I even told my planner Bessie, because she was asking me to see what I liked. But then that I saw it in person, I absolutely love it. I really think it's so pretty. I think it's nice having everything on the left. I am left-handed, so having this here is gonna work just great. All right, here is the weekly. Y'all, the weekly, it's kind of like the monthly, but it's, you know, you get the regular lump boxes. I don't know if they're like the happy planner. All right, so this is the weekly. Love the lettering there. And then you move on to the next month. The next month you don't get those boxes that you get here. I thought you did, but you don't. Love this. Then it's February. It is a 12-month planner, just to keep that in mind. And I'm just gonna flip through this really quickly. One thing I want to add, the month is right here on the bottom. Let's see if you can see it good, but I think that is such a nice touch that she added there. Super, super cute. At the end you get like a little page, you know, you always get like a little page here in the back. But that is pretty much it, you guys. I loved everything in this box. Love the paper, love the stickers. I am so happy, and I cannot wait to use this and show you what I'm gonna use it for. Thank you for watching. I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.